The universe is an incredibly vast and complex expanse that includes everything that exists: galaxies, stars, planets, moons, asteroids, comets, and all forms of matter and energy. Solar System components. The Sun. The central and most massive object in the Solar System. Planets. These are celestial bodies that orbit the Sun. There are 8 recognized planets in our Solar System: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Dwarf planets. Pluto used to be considered the 9th planet, but in 2006, it was reclassified as a dwarf planet. Other recognized dwarf planets include Eris, Haumea, Makemake, and Ceres. Moons. Many planets, including Earth, have natural satellites, commonly known as moons. Earth has 1 moon, while other planets can have multiple moons. For example, Jupiter has over 80 known moons. Asteroids and comets. These are small rocky or icy bodies that orbit the Sun. Asteroids are mostly found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Comets have icy compositions and develop tails as they approach the Sun. Kuiper Belt and Oort Cloud. Beyond the orbit of Neptune, there is the Kuiper Belt, a region of icy bodies. Farther out is the Oort Cloud, a vast and mostly hypothetical region of icy objects, believed to be the source of long-period comets. How the Solar System works. Orbital motion. Planets orbit the Sun in elliptical paths. The gravitational force between the Sun and the planets keeps them in their orbits. Rotation. Most celestial bodies, including planets, rotate on their axes. The time it takes for a planet to complete 1 full rotation is called its day. Revolution. The time it takes for a planet to orbit the Sun once is called its year. Gravity. The force of gravity keeps celestial bodies in orbit. The strength of gravity depends on the mass of the objects and the distance between them. Formation. The Solar System formed about 4.6 billion years ago from a giant molecular cloud of gas and dust. The Sun formed first, and the remaining material accreted to form planets, moons, and other objects. Understanding the Solar System is an exciting journey into the wonders of the universe. Ongoing space exploration and scientific research continue to reveal new insights about our cosmic surroundings.
liftoff from Space Shuttle Discovery, taking the space station to full power for full science.
This is Mission Control Houston.
Roger, Discovery.
Discovery's roll maneuver is complete and is now in a heads-down position on track for its flight to the International Space Station.